Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sabinetek SmartMike Bluetooth high quality lavalier microphone. If you're producing videos on your iPhone or podcasts or even conducting interviews with guests, then you really need to check this product out. The Sabinetek SmartMike features a 20 Hz to 20 kHz full band high quality audio, 4 levels of AI noise reduction, real-time monitoring and mixing, 6 hours of battery life, and a 15-meter transmission distance. In the box, you get this all-in-one ultra portable wireless microphone, which comes in at only 6 centimeters by 1.4 centimeters in size. It has a clip integrated into the design for attaching to your clothing, a red power button on the side, a 3.5 input, and a micro USB port at the base of the unit for charging. You also get a small earpiece, which you can use by plugging it into the 3.5 input jack, and this allows you to monitor your audio as you speak. There's also a USB cable for charging, a foam and furry windshield for outdoor use, and a detailed manual in color with font sizing that you can actually read, and a great illustrated instruction guide on how to use the product. I found that lately, many of the products that I've been reviewing include the most sparse instructions on a tiny sheet of paper that makes it really hard to follow. So well done, Sabinetek, for going into this level of detail and consideration. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge and thank Sabinetek for sending me out these microphones for this review, and sending not only one, but two, which is really beneficial for me to get a full understanding of this product, because when you have two units, you can do so much more with this microphone. First of all, let's start with the one microphone setup, and that is ideally going to be used for vloggers, those of you that want to connect directly to your iPhone, where you're recording a video for yourself, for your own purposes, and you want to upload it to social media, for example. So in this scenario, you basically connect the microphone via Bluetooth. It's very easy to establish the connection. You download the app, which is available for free from Sabinetek, and then it records either audio or video and audio. You can choose depending on the type of production that you're undertaking. For this example, I'm recording directly into my iPhone. It's a video, and as soon as I connected the microphone, all I need to do to initiate recording is to press the red button on the side of the microphone. It gives you a 3-second countdown, and then the video will start recording. And this is the kind of quality that you can expect from the audio and the video within the app. Now, shortly, we're going to go into the app and take a look at all of the advanced features in order to optimize your video. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit more about the features of this microphone. So first of all, it is a really nice and compact microphone, coming in at around 6 centimeters by 1.2 centimeters in dimensions. As such, it's probably one of the most compact microphones I've used to date. It really is a great looking microphone. It's modern. It has this clip on the side that allows you to connect it very easily to your clothing. At the top of the microphone, you can see the actual input for the audio source, the red button to press record. At the base of the microphone, you can see the micro USB connection, and you get a 3.5 input, and that's useful for monitoring your audio. So if you want to hear what the audio sounds like, or if you're using it for video conferencing, you can actually plug in the provided earpiece or any headphones that you might have in order to monitor your audio, which is a really unique feature. You can also use this 3.5 input in order to go into transmitter and receiver mode when you're connecting the microphone to a non-Bluetooth device. For example, if I wanted to record directly into my Canon EOS R rather than into my iPhone, which is what I'm doing right now, it won't connect via Bluetooth. Instead, I could use two units together, put one of them into receiver mode and the other into transmitter mode, and then connect the receiver into the 3.5 input of my Canon EOS R using a TRS cable, and then I could record directly into my camera. So a lot of versatility if you have two SmartMike microphones. The other thing you can do if you have two of them is to connect them both to the SmartMike app for recording interviews. So that's one microphone for yourself and one for your interviewee. So you're getting two sources of audio into the one recording. So that's a great option for compact, out in the field recording of interviews using two of the 17 SmartMike Plus microphones. So that's another great use of the microphones when you have two units. The only thing left to do is to give you a demo of what it sounds like in an outdoor space and run through some of the features of the app so you can see what that looks like. So first of all, let's go into an outdoor environment and check it out, and then we'll come back and I'll run through all of the features of the 17 SmartMike Plus application. Let's go. So here we are outdoors doing a test of the 17 SmartMike Plus. I'm standing around 3 or 4 meters away from the camera for this first test, and I'm going to start walking back so we can get a sense of just how far you can stand away from your iPhone when you're recording. By the way, there's lots of noise in the background. I can just hear a car driving past. There's some subtle breeze happening all around me. So there's quite a bit of noise, as you would expect in an outdoor environment. The idea behind using this type of microphone is that obviously you're going to eliminate some of that noise and get a much more focused audio on your vocals. And that's exactly what you want when you're vlogging, no matter how far your camera is. So now I'm standing back as far as about 10 meters. And certainly the range goes up to around 15 meters, they say. I'm going to just go a little bit further and test that 15-meter range, so you're not going to be able to see me now. But that is the audio from the 17 SmartMike Plus. As a matter of interest, here is a quick test without the microphone, and this is what the audio sounds like. Again, standing back around 3 or 4 meters away from the iPhone. It wouldn't sound very good at all. We're just too far away, and it's going to be too much background distracting noise in this video. So this is what it sounds like without the microphone. And now for a quick test of the microphone without the supplied windshield. Previously I was using the furry windshield in order to minimize wind noise. You could also use the foam one that comes provided in the box. But in this sample, we're just testing the microphone as is without any additional protection of the windshield. There is the built-in noise reduction feature in the software. So this is a test to see what it sounds like when you're using the microphone by itself. So I've got my SmartMike Plus application open and I'm recording with two microphones into the app. So this would be ideal if I had a guest here with me. You can see that I have two microphones connected by the icons on the top of the screen, which are both highlighted in green. If I was only recording with one microphone, you'll only see one of those highlighted. So I've gone straight into the video mode to record. If you want, there's also an audio option that only records audio, but we're testing this out in the video mode today. At the top right-hand corner of the screen, you can flip between selfie mode and front-facing camera mode. So I'm going to be shooting in selfie mode for this video. And you can also adjust the lighting, it's quite bright in here, by tapping on the subject and adjusting the levels to your satisfaction there. On the base of the screen, we get a number of options. The first icon is a teleprompter. This is ideal for those of you that struggle to find the words for your scripts. Simply copy and paste some information into the teleprompter, tap on the play button, it will scroll down the screen, and no matter how long that passage of text is, you can use it to read out that information directly as you're speaking into the camera. So that's a really great feature for those of you that often find yourself stuck for words. Let's turn that off for now. The next option is your settings control panel. By default, it will be set to auto, which determines your microphone input levels automatically. If you go into Pro mode, you can adjust the levels of input for both microphones or adjust them independently. The next option is to adjust the filters for your recording. At the top of the screen, you get some filters which drastically change the look of the video. You can go into black and white and various different colorways. Kind of reminds me of the Instagram style of filters. I'll go back to the original mode for this particular application. There's also a beauty filter at the base of the screen. You can slide the slider along from 0 up to 100 in order to smooth out your skin and get rid of those wrinkles. I don't particularly like that look for myself. I'm going to leave that as is and go for a much more natural look. And as you can see, this app has a lot of features that will give you great looking video for any type of production. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel, and you'll be notified of up and coming videos. See you on the next one. Bye for now.